The landscape of leadership is changing drastically. Those leading us into the future have to be ready to tackle a wealth of complex and ethical challenges. This requires thinking about leadership differently. This program is grounded in two key pillars: leadership and business acumen, which together provide the core skills and abilities that high achievers need to accelerate their career and take on more responsibility. The pillars intersect with grounding themes, mindsets, and ways of working that will allow participants to gain the knowledge to compete in a constantly changing business landscape. The first pillar is all about leadership, about leading and managing myself, and about leading others. When it comes to leading self, participants will embark on a personal development journey. Future leaders need to develop a keen sense of self-awareness of who they are, what they stand for, of their values, biases, strengths, and potential blind spots. When it comes to leading others, we will build your executive presence. We will look at how you develop relationships, manage conflict, lead and influence others to bring them along with you to really make a difference. The second pillar focuses on strengthening participants' business acumen, the core fundamentals of business and how they are evolving. Importantly, both the leadership and the business acumen pillars are grounded in key themes and mindsets that future leaders need to have as they embark on their future trajectory. These are the responsible mindset, so facing tough, ethical decisions about topics like sustainability and diversity, and the innovative mindset, so agile, entrepreneurial thinking and digital transformation.